Hey fellow explorers, lately I've been shooting a lot of my videos not on my fancy Sony removable lens cameras, but on this, the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. And in this video, I'm gonna review this camera in 2 minutes. All right, here we go. What do I like about this camera? I like how small this camera is. It is a stabilized gimbal camera. There's a gimbal right up here that moves along. There's a small screen on it so you can see what's going on. It is $349 for the basic DJI Osmo Pocket 2, which is from here to here. For $500, so $499, then you get this. Oh, it turned off because I wasn't using it, so we'll turn it back on. By the way, in these 2-minute reviews, no fancy B-roll, no edits, no cuts, just you, me, and the product and the sand timer. All right, so with the creator kit right here for $500, it comes with this little extra battery that goes on the bottom, which also means it connects to this wireless microphone. For me, I do a lot of audio, and so I need good microphones, and this wirelessly connects to this, and so I can walk away from it and shoot, or it's just a good microphone to have on me as I hold this out in front. And so I like that it's got this screen on it that I can look at while I shoot forward, or I can put it in photo mode. It does a whole bunch of different things, but I mainly use it for video. It comes with this little carrying case right here. Inside the carrying case, it also comes with a little wide angle lens that just snaps onto this right here. And then you've got a gimbal, and you don't have to balance it. You don't have to attach your phone to it. You don't have to fiddle with it. You just turn it on and it works. And it's amazing. It does come with little things that you can attach to it to attach it to your phone. If you think this monitor is too small and you want to use a bigger monitor, which is your phone, you can do that. I don't. I always just use this little monitor with the wide angle lens and the camera. I have shot my Resorts World walking tours on this, my Omega Mart walking tours, and nearly every video on my daughter's YouTube channel too on this right here. So this is one of my favorite, relatively inexpensive cameras at $499. I shoot, like I say, a lot more on this than I do on my $5,000 A7S III because this is so easy to take with me. All right, did I make it on time? Pretty close, I think. Well, fellow explorers, if you want to check out some of my other gear reviews, like a review of my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra that I've also been shooting a lot of videos on, you can find that right here, or you can find my whole travel gear review playlist right here. Also links in the description below. As usual, I won't say goodbye because I'll see you in the next review.